How to fix Instagram tags. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram tags easy and fast. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll until you find the apps, go to apps, scroll until you find the Instagram app right here. Now on this page make sure to click on this option, it's called power usage details. Now here all what you have to do is very simple, just make sure to enable this power consumption alert option and then go to the app launch and make sure to make it manage automatically. Now go back, click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, then go back. The last thing you have to do now is click on force stop and the problem is gonna be fixed. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.